Understanding animal cloning and its purpose. Animal cloning is a biotechnological process that creates a genetically identical copy of an organism. It has garnered attention for its potential applications in agriculture, medicine, and conservation. While cloning can help preserve certain traits or species, its impact on biodiversity raises important questions about ecological balance and genetic diversity. Preserving endangered species through cloning. One of the most discussed benefits of animal cloning is its potential to save endangered species. By cloning individuals from dwindling populations, scientists hope to boost numbers and preserve genetic material. This approach aims to prevent extinction and maintain biodiversity, but it is not without challenges, such as ensuring genetic diversity among cloned individuals. Reducing genetic diversity in populations. While cloning can increase population numbers, it may also lead to reduced genetic diversity. Cloned animals share identical genetic material, which can make populations more susceptible to diseases and environmental changes. A lack of genetic variation reduces the ability of species to adapt and survive in changing ecosystems, ultimately threatening their long-term viability. Ethical concerns surrounding cloning practices. The ethical implications of animal cloning are significant, particularly regarding animal welfare. Cloning processes can involve high rates of failure, leading to suffering for both cloned and surrogate animals. Furthermore, questions arise about the value of cloned animals compared to those born through natural reproduction, especially concerning their role in maintaining biodiversity. The role of cloning in conservation strategies. Animal cloning can complement traditional conservation methods, such as habitat protection and breeding programs. By using cloning as a tool alongside these strategies, conservationists can create a multifaceted approach to preserving biodiversity. However, reliance on cloning alone may divert attention from addressing the root causes of species decline, such as habitat loss and climate change. Addressing ecosystem stability through cloning. Biodiversity is crucial for ecosystem stability, as it supports various functions, from pollination to nutrient cycling. Cloning can disrupt natural interactions within ecosystems if cloned species do not integrate well. This imbalance could have cascading effects on other species and overall ecosystem health, highlighting the need for careful consideration of cloning's ecological implications. Cloning versus natural breeding. A comparison. Natural breeding encourages genetic diversity through mating between different individuals, fostering resilience in populations. In contrast, cloning replicates specific traits without introducing new genetic material. While cloning may yield desirable characteristics, it can hinder the evolutionary processes that have shaped species over millennia, ultimately impacting biodiversity. The potential for genetic rescue. Genetic rescue involves introducing new genetic material into a population to enhance diversity and adaptability. Cloning can play a role in this process by providing viable genetic material from extinct or critically endangered species. However, successful implementation requires careful planning to ensure that the cloned individuals can integrate into existing populations without causing disruptions. Public perception and acceptance of cloning. Public attitudes toward animal cloning vary widely, influenced by ethical, ecological, and technological considerations. Some view cloning as a valuable tool for conservation, while others express concerns about its implications for biodiversity and animal welfare. Building public trust and understanding is essential for the responsible application of cloning technologies in conservation efforts. Future directions for animal cloning and biodiversity. As technology advances, the potential applications of animal cloning in biodiversity conservation will evolve. Researchers are exploring ways to enhance cloning techniques while addressing ethical and ecological concerns. Balancing the benefits of cloning with the need to maintain genetic diversity and ecosystem integrity will be crucial for the future of biodiversity conservation efforts.